Greetings and welcome to CTN Videos. Today, we'll be reviewing Windows 8 and giving you a first look at this impressive operating system. Since Windows XP, Microsoft has kept the same theme, a desktop, start menu, and taskbar. However, Microsoft has completely revamped Windows 8 and given it a fresh look and new interface. You can download Windows 8 off Microsoft.com for only $40 starting today. Anyone who is currently running Windows Vista or Windows 7 is able to make the upgrade. Microsoft will even transfer all of your compatible programs, personal files, and settings, so the download won't be a hassle. Microsoft just released Windows 8 earlier this morning, so this video will give you a descriptive first look and will answer the question whether or not you should upgrade to Windows 8. The first main difference is the interface. Microsoft has completely revamped this system and given it a more modern feeling. Windows 7 and Windows Vista main screen is the desktop. However, for Windows 7, the start menu has become the main theme. For those of you who enjoy the desktop and are sort of sad to see it gone, there's good news. You can still view the desktop, but it's more of a secondary option, and Windows 8 really revolves around this start menu theme. So I'm going to be focusing on the start menu for this review, but you'll be seeing the desktop occasionally throughout it. The design of the start menu is easy to use, and you can easily access all of your favorite applications, programs, and settings. It is in the form of tiles, which are colored solidly, as you can see. This non-transparent theme definitely looks modern and newer than the old transparent theme that was used in Easy Windows 7. And as you can see, this operating system is designed around tablets and touchscreen phones, so you have your big easy-to-tap controls, which are easy to use on a touchscreen interface, but they also work well on a desktop or laptop like you're seeing it right now. To search for something on the start menu, just go into the top right-hand corner and click Search. It'll bring you to a screen with all your apps, and you can easily search for programs like Word, Excel, computer. It'll automatically search for them and alphabetize them. To go back to the start menu, simply hit the start button or select the start menu by going to the top right corner of your screen. By putting your cursor in the top right corner or bottom left corner, you will see about five options: search, share. You'll also see obviously the start menu, devices, and settings. This is especially handy, and again, this is designed around a touch interface, but with a mouse or trackpad, you can access this as well and enable keyboard shortcuts and settings to help you reach it even more easily. Now, personalization is really big on Windows 8. You have a ton of themes and options and settings to perfect your experience. So I'm just going to open settings and show you what it's like. So you want to click on Change PC Settings. So it has a ton of new pictures. They're all different. As you can see, they're more sort of abstract than the previous ones, and it's definitely more of a solid tile option of your things. You have your options on the left side, general, share, search, stuff like that, and you can easily set it to personalize it with keyboard shortcuts or screen shortcuts. And you can go back to the start menu by putting your cursor in the top right corner of the screen. Next is programs and features. Microsoft really packs a lot of cool features while improving the old ones. One big one is SkyDrive. SkyDrive allows you to easily share files with people or anyone that you want. It'll put your files in a SkyDrive folder, and you can allow specific people to view or edit different files depending on your permissions. This was an option on Windows 7, but it's been improved and highly integrated into Windows 8. As you can see, it's one of the main desktop options, and you'll see shortcuts to it throughout all the new programs like Microsoft Word and your mail and stuff. Okay, next is Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office 2013 has been released with Windows 8, and it fits the same format. By opening it, it has pretty much the same theme as the 2010 version, but it's more of a new format. It has a few more options, and when you type, you'll notice that it's a lot more smooth. When you type, it's a lot more smooth, it types a lot quicker, and I much prefer this to the previous version. Another program that they've drastically changed is the Mail program. So it opens really quickly, it has a really simple view. You can easily view your favorite files, see who they're from, go into your different folders on the side, go to your inbox, and if you want, you can write a message easily too with the shortcuts to it in the top right corner of the screen. So that's the Mail program, and I'm going to show you a few more of the programs that you'll see. There's so many I could go on for a long time, but I'm just going to show you the major ones. Windows Explorer is pretty similar. Windows Explorer was the main way to navigate around the system, or it's actually File Explorer, and it still is, but you can see have the same Windows 8-ish style with the solid coloring and the easy to use navigation controls. Now, Internet Explorer is also different and is Microsoft's main web browsing program for Windows 8. It has slightly different, again, is more of a solid design, and you can easily, and I'd say it's even slightly faster than it was on Windows 7. Before Internet Explorer was painstakingly slow, but on Windows 8 it's actually pretty quick. Okay, and as you can see, it has the other main features that come with it are calendar, people, photos, messaging, finances, weather, sports, and you can go to Bing or travel. It comes with some interesting games. I'll show you a few. Okay, so there's a few games that comes with, as you can see, and you're able to download a lot more off the App Store, which I'll show you right now. Now, this is one of people's big complaints. The Windows 8 store is definitely small. The amount of free apps is sort of actually scary. I mean, you can see this is pretty much all the free apps it has. Yeah, not a big selection. If you get a Windows 8 this Windows 8 Surface tablet, apps are not going to be big for at least a while because there's not very many apps at all. But I do like the App Store interface. It's easy to navigate into different sections, and you can search throughout it. So the amount of stuff or software on the store is definitely a drawback to Windows 8. I'll show you one other program. Let's do Maps. Now, Maps has also been improved, and it's right. Here. Now you'll notice that all the Windows 8 programs have this sort of full screen view that pops up right before you view it. So you can see it uses Bing, which has worked well for us, although it does take a while to load. And you'll probably experience this, which is another big drawback of the system. But then again, Maps isn't a huge feature which you're going to be spending a lot of time on. And other small features such as printing, copying, and settings have been changed for the good as well, but I don't have time to show you all those. Now for the performance has improved again drastically. Like Windows 7, Windows 8 is a lot faster, and it's even faster than the Windows 7 on a Windows 7 PC. We've seen a lot of tests on the beta version, which all looked good and showed really fast results. On the full version, we see the same speed. So if you're looking for a good, fast operating system, Windows 8 is definitely for you. After considering all the features, changes, and other aspects of the operating system, we decided to rate it at a 9. Windows 8 is definitely one of the best operating systems you can get. It's high quality, and the fact that it's $40 doesn't mean the price tag isn't going to be a big deal. For those of you Microsoft fans who are always looking for some high quality Microsoft software, Windows 8 is definitely a great option. The system is stable and has a high quality design, which is fast and responsive. For those of you who like Windows 7 and are used to it, it'll take some getting used to. The learning curve is one of its drawbacks, but I can assure you it will be worth it. If there's a few other complaints, there's a few tiny bugs which haven't been worked out yet, and the App Store is pretty small. But those are the only major things that are wrong with the system, and I definitely recommend this as a download for you. Thanks for watching this review, and please send us your feedback at ctn7705@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch some more of our videos. The link to our website is ctntechnews.com. This is a production of CTN Videos. Thanks for watching.